The average funeral in Minnesota costs between $7 and $12,000, and most families I talk to at Nelson and Associates have absolutely no plan for that. But it's not the funeral that keeps me up at night. It's what happens to your mortgage, your kid's college fund, and your spouse's ability to stay home if they need to. That's what life insurance actually solves. By the time this video ends, you'll know exactly which type of life insurance works for your situation and why most people in the Twin Cities are buying the wrong coverage. Let's start with term life insurance. This is the most straightforward option and it's affordable. You pick a time frame, 10, 20, or 30 years, and if something happens to you during that window, your family gets the full death benefit. No questions asked. I see this work best for young families who just bought a house in the suburbs, people with kids still in school, anyone who needs a big safety net without breaking the bank. Then there's whole life insurance. This stays with you your entire life as long as you keep paying the premium. It builds cash value, basically a savings account inside your policy that grows at a guaranteed rate. You can borrow against it if you need money. This appeals to clients who want permanent protection and want life insurance to be part of their overall financial picture, not just a temporary safety net. Here's what surprises people. A healthy 30-year-old in Minnesota can get $1 million in 20-year term coverage for somewhere around $50 to $70 a month. That's less than most streaming subscriptions. A 45-year-old might pay $200 to $300 depending on health, but most people never ask because they assume it's unaffordable. It's not. The biggest mistake I see in my agency, people buying way too little coverage. I had a client last month who thought $50,000 was enough, but when we sat down and did the math, mortgage is $300,000, wife can't work full-time with 2 kids, college fund is empty. We realized he actually needed $750,000. He almost walked out of my office, seriously underprepared. Don't be that person. Call us right now at 763-733-7475. We're licensed in Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota, South Dakota, Iowa, Illinois, Ohio, Missouri, Nebraska, Kansas, and Arizona. We can get you a quote and run your